Bonsai. Bonsai comprises a tree or shrub planted in a small container for developing as a miniature plant, showing the general appearance of that plant species found in nature. Bonsai is the art of dwarfing a regular tree to create a perfect miniature representation in a small pot. The craft originated in China and requires years of training and centuries of dedication. In general, our bonsai symbolize harmony, peace and order of thoughts, balance and all that is good in nature. Plants suitable for bonsai. Plant should be hardy. Trunk should develop a natural appearance. Growth of the plant and its appearance should be harmonious with the shape of the container. The plants of low height and strong trunk, thick at the base are good. Trees like Bombyx banabarica, Adenanthera pavonina, Brassia actinophylla, Cisalpinia coriaria, Ficus religiosa, Ficus bengalensis, Thespesia purpurina are the tree species. Shrubs like Adenium obesum, Brea ebenus, Fortunella japonica, Hibiscus schizopetalis, Jatropha species, Morea exotica are the shrub species. Woody climbers like Combretum, Deriscandens, Ropelia grata and Jasminum auriculata. Growing the bonsai. Bonsai are planted in small containers. The monsoon is the best season for planting or transplanting. It is advisable to grow the plants in the ground for a year or two, which helps in developing a strong root system and healthy branches. They are transferred into a container after pruning the roots and branches. The plants grown in pots may also plant directly in the container. Containers. It should be simple, shallow pots of various sizes and shapes. They may be round, rectangular or square. The size and depth depending on the plant to be grown. Soil should be fresh, well drained and very rich in fertilizer. Should not be highly acidic or alkaline. Loamy soil of different structures and clump sizes obtained by sieving the soil is used in potting. Should not be very sticky or sandy. Well-rotted leaf mold is mixed with the soil. Arrangement of branches. Arrangement of trunk and branches is also an important technique. It is done to improve the shape and to help in the natural appearance of the plants. Wire is to be used very carefully and the techniques need experience, skill and proper tools. Wire cutter and pincers are normally used for the purpose. Copper wire is better, so that they may grow in the desired direction and form. Care of the plant. The container is kept on a platform in a cool and shady place for about 2 weeks to allow the roots to develop and the plant to establish. It is then gradually exposed to sunlight for longer durations, beginning with the morning sun for 2 hours. The soil should never be allowed to dry up completely. In summer months, with high temperature and low humidity, the plants may be placed in shade in the midday and afternoon. They also need protection from frost. The miniature plant should be arranged in a planned fashion on a platform or on stands of different sizes and height so that the collection of plants look like a garden. Proper spacing between the rows will facilitate watering the maintenance of the plants. Repotting. Bonsai needs repotting when the soil is completely exhausted or the container is filled with roots. In general, plants in the growing stage are repotted once a year and a full-grown tree once every 2 or 3 years. While repotting, the old soil should be removed as far as possible and dead roots and ends of fine roots pruned. Containers should be used after thorough washing and drying. Unnecessary branches are also removed to improve the appearance of the tree. Application of manure and fertilizer. 1 kilogram mustard cake is diluted with 6 liters of water and allowed to decompose thoroughly. After about 3 to 4 weeks, the water above the decomposed manure is again diluted with 5 to 10 times the amount of water and the dilute solution is applied to the soil. The plant should be manured in the spring and again in the rainy season when they show vegetative growth. During the growing season, the plants can be manured once a month followed by watering. Control of disease and pest. Disease and pest are common with bonsai. Root rot is a common and serious disease caused by excessive watering, drying of soil, poor drainage, direct contact with undecomposed organic matter, etc. The affected plant will show poor growth and decay of shoots. In case of fungus infection either on shoots or on roots, the disease part should be removed at the earliest chance. Spraying of insecticides and fungicides should be a routine practice. Advantages of bonsai. One of the best plants for homes or offices is that they help in purifying the air in their surroundings. Helps in curing sore throats, coughs, fatigue and tiredness. They enhance the aesthetic appeal but also because they have multiple health and psychological benefits. Bonsai plants are known to be great stress reliever. The most expensive bonsai tree, old pine tree, sold for $1.3 million at the International Bonsai Convention in Japan. Thank you for your patience. We can meet in the next video. Thank you.